Welcome to the Crypto Breakdown Show, your guide through the fast-moving world of digital assets. We break down the latest market moves, industry trends, and the big stories shaping the future of crypto. Just a quick reminder, this isn't financial advice. We're here to share news, insights, and updates to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. All right, let's get started. Recapping some of the top news from October 10th. Today, we're diving into a whirlwind of market drama, groundbreaking innovations, and some serious geopolitical tremors. Let's get into it. Our story kicks off with a massive bearish bet by an OG Bitcoin whale. This veteran opened a $438 million leveraged short on Hyperliquid, having already sold off BTC. It sent ripples, even as Bitcoin itself showed slight recovery from overnight lows around $121,700, with overall sentiment still bullish despite the whale's move. But while one whale went bearish, other sectors saw a blast from the past. Privacy tokens like Zcash, Dash, and Railgun surged, with Zcash rallying 40%. This rotation into a once-forgotten sector, driven by project developments and regulatory talks, harks back to 2018 narratives. Could it be long-term positioning? Bitcoin itself was bracing for big moves. Implied volatility hit a 2.5-month high, surpassing 42%, aligning with historical October trends. This, coupled with a 91% chance of another Fed rate cut, had traders anticipating significant price swings. Historically, late October and November are Bitcoin's strongest periods. Innovation continued with Hyperliquid launching Base Streams, a DX-powered live streaming platform. Creators can now broadcast trades, engage viewers, and accept tokenized donations, bridging live content with DeFi monetization. However, a shadow loomed. China expanded rare earth export controls ahead of a Trump-Xi meeting. This strategic move gave Beijing leverage over critical supply chains, and its crypto implications would soon become painfully clear. Meanwhile, Bitcoin miners were having a moment, rallying towards a $90 billion market cap. This surge was fueled by accelerating demand for AI and high-performance computing, with miners pivoting to AI infrastructure. Microsoft's warning of data center shortages underscored this booming demand. Galaxy Digital, for instance, secured $460 million for its Helios data center to pivot from mining to AI/HPC. The distribution is key theme also boosted BNB's 129% rally, mirroring Solana's growth, thanks to Binance's vast user reach. Regulatory hurdles emerged as a U.S. government shutdown threatened to delay Cardano and other crypto ETF approvals until 2026, freezing SEC reviews. Polymarket bettors assigned a 36% chance of a month-long shutdown. Bitcoin traders, however, tilted bullish, anticipating a short squeeze as BTC rebounded above $121,000. This contrasted sharply with the crash of several Chinese-themed meme coins on BNB chain, which lost over 95% of their value. Corporate moves included Metaplanet, a Bitcoin-focused firm, pausing share sales to fund more Bitcoin purchases after a significant share price drop. Morgan Stanley made a monumental shift, opening crypto access to all wealth management clients, including retirement plans, a major Wall Street endorsement. Even Russia acknowledged its 20 million crypto users and began moving towards formal integration. Not all news was positive. A Hyperliquid wallet was drained of $21 million due to a private key compromise, highlighting persistent user-side security vulnerabilities. And hyped token launches like CAMP, XAN, and XBL dramatically underperformed, raising concerns that the upcoming airdrop season from MetaMask, OpenSea, and Monad could fall flat. Then, geopolitical tensions erupted. President Trump's threat of massive tariffs on Chinese goods in response to rare earth controls triggered a broader risk-off sentiment. Bitcoin plummeted below $119,000, leading a flash crash with over $7 billion in liquidations. Bitcoin tumbled over 10% below $110,000, and Ether plunged over 7%, wiping out over $600 million in leveraged positions. Altcoins fell 15 to 40%. Analysts called it nasty, comparable to the March 2020 crash, leading to a leverage reset. HBAR also tumbled 6% amid institutional selling. In new developments, Prestige Wealth secured $150 million to become a Tether Gold treasury vehicle, aiming to provide a transparent, blockchain-native alternative for real-world assets. And as blockchain-issued investment funds grew, Aaron Kaplan of Prometheum warned to beware of Greeks bearing gifts, urging scrutiny of fee structures. Even Dominari Holdings, linked to Donald Trump's sons, looked to Bitcoin programmability with Hemi to build a BTC treasury and ETF platform, but the market's recent turmoil reminded everyone that caution is key. What a day, crypto fanatics! From whale plays and innovation to geopolitical tremors and market crashes, it's clear the digital asset landscape is as dynamic as ever. That's a wrap for this edition of the Crypto Breakdown Show. Whether the market's pumping, dumping, or just drifting sideways, we're here to help you navigate it all. If you enjoyed the episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's crypto curious. Thanks for listening, and remember, no matter where the charts go, stay grounded, stay informed, and stay crypto smart. Until next time.